Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error message. You need to have Vanguard running to play League of Legends. Now, Vanguard is basically an anti-cheat system, and if you get this error message pop up, it's basically trying to tell you that it can't detect Vanguard running on your computer. So there's a couple of methods we can use to fix this. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Start menu, search for Task Manager, and head over to the Task Manager window. Now from here, we just need to close down any references of either the Riot client to League of Legends or the Vanguard application. So if you see any of these processes inside of here, then we can just right click on each of them and select End Task. You can also use the search box at the top here just to search for Riot. And once again, if you see the Riot client in here, just make sure to end the task. Do the same for League of Legends. And also make sure Vanguard is also shut down. We're then going to close out of the Task Manager window, come back over to the Start menu and search for Services and tap on the Services icon. From here, you need to scroll all the way down to a process called VGC, which is this process here. And we're just going to double click on this. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then press Apply and OK. Then double click on the service again and make sure the service status is running. So I'm just going to go ahead and press this Start button. Then click on OK. And what I want you to do now is launch up the Riot client and check to see if that's now fixed the issue for you. If that's still not working, then the next thing we'll need to do is head back over to the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings window, and from the left you need to come inside of Apps. Click on Installed Apps, and then using the search feature at the top here, we're just going to search for Vanguard. Once you've located the Riot Vanguard, come over to these three little dots, click on Uninstall and select Uninstall. You'll get this confirmation message pop up. Just go ahead and press Yes. And once you've uninstalled the Riot Vanguard application, we're going to close out of here, launch up the Riot client, and then you'll need to log into your account. So now that we're logged into the Riot Games application, you can see if I come over to League of Legends, it now has this update button next to it rather than play. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Update. Click on the Update button, and this is going to go ahead and reinstall the Vanguard application. Now, once this is finished installing, you will need to restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, we're going to head over to the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Click on the Task Manager window, come over to Startup Apps from the left-hand side. Then you'll need to find a startup application called vgtray.exe. Then all we need to do is just right-click on this and make sure that it's enabled. You can see in the status column here that it's enabled for me. You can then close out of the Task Manager window, and we can then launch up the Riot client and try to run League of Legends, and that should have now fixed any issues you were experiencing. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.